In the previous lectures, we've seen that there are two main possibilities to hide your identity and remain anonymous while browsing the web, using a VPN or using Tor. In this short lecture, we'll discuss the differences between a VPN and Tor. When should you use a VPN and when should you use the Tor network? Both Tor and VPNs allow you to access the internet anonymously by hiding your real identity, which is your public IP address. However, the VPN service knows your real identity, which is not applicable to Tor. A VPN is generally much faster than Tor, since you are going directly to one VPN server, then to your desired destination, website or online service. It's faster than through several Tor nodes before going to your final destination. Both Tor and VPN encrypts all your internet traffic. However, VPNs can log your activity. There's no way to ensure that the VPN provider is not logging and reporting all websites you visit. All you can do is trust them that they are not saving any logs if they say so. VPN services can be easily hacked, and the hackers can track, log, and share users' private data. Okay, these are the most important differences between a VPN and Tor.